Welcome to Brake Shack. Just going to show you a little bit about this product. So this is a non-contact infrared thermal gun. So basically this is to tell the temperature of whatever you point it at. So it takes two AAA batteries that fit in there. They don't come with it, but I've just put these in. They also come with one of these packs. I'll just take it out to show you. So basically you just press and hold the trigger for a second and it turns it on. I don't think there's an off button, but if you don't touch it for 60 seconds or so, it will go off. So to operate it, you just press and hold the trigger and it shows an infrared dot at whatever you're pointing it at, and that then tells you the temperature on screen of what you're pointing it at. So you can move this around the room quickly and we can see that the surface temperature of the sofa is 20 degrees, where I should be warmer because I'm giving off body heat. 25, 26. So yeah, it's really good. If you're a paranormal investigating and somebody says that they've got a cold spot on their arm, for example, you ask where the cold spot is, point it at the cold spot, and then move it up or down. You know, if that spot on them is 3 or 4 degrees hotter or colder than the rest of their arm, that backs up in evidence what they actually feel. And also you can point it at objects and things to quickly tell temperatures also. It's really handy. You can change between Celsius and Fahrenheit using the red button, and you can also turn on and off the backlit screen. So if you're using it in the dark, you can have the screen backlit. So I'll leave the link in the product description to buy this product, and thanks for watching.